ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शाकल्य ब्राह्मण in that page number 889. From 33 devatas to 6, 3, 2, 1.5. Then 1. What is that? One devata. Katama eko deva iti. Prana iti. What is that one devata? Yajnavalkya says prana. Pranasya brahmatvam sadhayati. Because the mantra said prana iti sa brahma tyat itya chakshate. So how prana is brahma? Pranasya brahmatvam sadhayati. Sa prano brahma. How prana is brahma? Sa prano brahma. Why? Sarva devatmakatvat. Mahat brahma tena. Because it is sarva devata rupa, therefore it is mahat brahma. Sa brahma tyad itya chakshate. So because it is mahat, therefore it is called brahma. That's brahma is called tyad. What is tyad? Tyad iti tad brahma achakshate. परोक्ष अभिधायकेन शब्देन. Tyat is a sarvanama, so paroksha sarvanama shabdas are always indicative of paroksha vastu. Tika tena mahatvena iti yavat. Tena mahatvena brahma. Tasya parokshatva pratipattau prayatna gauravartham kathayati. Parokshatva, because it is known parokshat rupena, therefore for its knowledge you have to put forth more effort. What is pratyaksha or otherwise known as aparoksha? You don't have to put forth that much effort. Prayatna gauravartham kathayati tyat. Uktam artham pratipatti saukaryartham sangrihnati. So this artha for pratipatti saukaryam, for easy comprehension, sangrihnati devanam etad ekatvam nanatvam cha. So now he wraps up the topic. How many devatas? So first he said 3,306, then 33, and then finally up to 1. So that devata is 1, devata is nana also, many also. Ekatvam prane paryavasanam, nanatvam anantyam. Ekatvam, which culminated in prana. Nanatvam, many, anantyam, infinite. Anantanam, further in टीका, षडधिक त्रिशताधिक त्रिसहस्र संख्याकानाम एव देवानाम अत्र उक्तत्वात् कथम तदानन्त्यम इत्याशंक्य. षड अधिक त्रिशत अधिक greater than 6, षड अधिक त्रिशत अधिक. So 6, then 6 greater, like in Sanskrit if you have to read 6 greater than trishata adhika, 300, and trisahasra, 3000. 6 greater than 300, greater than 3000. So 300, 3006. Sankhyakanam eva devanam atra uktatvat katham tad anantyam. So it is not infinite. You have already a fixed number, 3306 iti ashankya. शत सहस्र शब्दाभ्याम अनंतता अपि उक्ता एव इति आशयना. By 100 and 1000, infinitude is indicated. So they are used here in Bahuvachanam. So Bahuvachanam means they are many, like that. अनंतानां देवानां निवित संख्या विशिष्टेषु अंतर्भावः. Ananta devas are included in this Nivit Sankhya. Nivit Sankhya is Shadadhika, Trishatadhika, Trisahasra Sankhya. एकस्मिन् प्राणे पर्यवसानं यावद् भवति तावत् पर्यन्तम् उत्तरोत्तरेषु त्रयस्त्रिंशदादिषु तेषामपि अंतर्भाव इत्याह. एकस्मिन् प्राणे, in that one prana, पर्यवसानं यावद् भवति, culmination in that one bhavati, तावत् पर्यन्तम् उत्तरोत्तरेषु त्रयस्त्रिंशदादिषु तेषामपि अंतर्भाव. So all these 3306 and other whatever numbers that we saw, 8 and Vasus, then from that 6 and then 3 and 2, all of them are included in that one prana. Prana means Hiranyagarbha. That Hiranyagarbha is also referred as Brahma. And it is Paroksha, it is not Pratyaksha, therefore it is Tyat. So in many places you will find Hiranyagarbha is given lot more importance, which is Brahma, and Brahma Loka Prapti is the phalam of such upasana. So that is why all these dialogues or discussions, like here you see everything ended up in prana. In Chandogya 7th chapter, Naradji, he came up to prana. Then he said, okay, anyone who knows this prana, saha ativadati. He knows everything above all, like that. So up to that, upasana buddhi can reach. तेषामपि त्रयस्त्रिंशब्दादिषु उत्तरोत्तरेषु यावद् एकस्मिन् प्राणे प्राणस्यैव च एकस्य सर्वो अनंत संख्यातो विस्तारः. Of all of them, this 3306 etc., त्रयस्त्रिंशदादिषु उत्तरोत्तरेषु यावद् एकस्मिन् प्राणे, There Paryavasanam is in Eka Prana. Pranasyeva cha ekasya. That prana which is one, Sarvo Ananta Sankhyato Vistara. That one prana manifests in so many ways. Because all devatas are in the form of Hiranyagarbha. All Vyashti is in that Samashti. Then from that it manifests and you give so many names, so many expressions. For a person who, see, Yajnavalkya ji said he is Brahmavadi. Means he didn't say, but he took the cows. So he is Sreshta Brahmavadi. So according to the Shakalya and all, this is Brahma. So he should know about this Brahma. Gargi knew Brahma is that Akshara, which we discussed in the previous Brahmana. That is real meaning of the word Brahma. This Shakalya and those who are Upasaka, Karma Kandi, they stop up to this Hiranyagarbha Brahma. So they are more interested in such Devata, how many Devatas are there and where all Devatas culminate, etc. When Yajnavalkya ji is going to ask him about Nirguna Brahma, Shakalya will not be able to answer. His buddhi could reach up to Saguna, Hiranyagarbha. This is the main thing that we have to grasp. Otherwise, what is all this discussion? We will not know what is the main objective and why Gargi said that he knows everything. How did she come to that conclusion? Because he could know that Brahma which is beyond attributes. प्राणस्यैव च एकस्य सर्वो अंतर्भाव. टीका. प्राणस्य कस्मिन् अंतर्भाव तत्राह प्राणस्य एव एकस्य सर्वो अंतर्भाव. संगृहीतम अर्थम उपसंहरति. Before that, संख्यातो विस्तार है is given in the भाष्य 1 number टिप्पणी. संख्यात इति पाठ लेखक प्रमाद आगतः इति भाति. That टिप्पणी should be प्रमादादागत. प्रमादात आगत. प्रमादात. So add one da there. According to Tippanikar, it should be Sankhyantah or Sankhyak part. And it should be taken as Yathashruta Pathe tu Tritiyantat Tasi. Tasis Tadha cha Tat Sankhya Prayukta Ityartha. Tasi can come for Tritiya, Panchami, Saptami, all these vibhaktis. So we should take that Sankhyatah as Tat Sankhya Prayukta Vistara. संग्रहितम अर्थम उपसंहरति. एवं एकश्च अनंतश्च अवांतर संख्या विशिष्टश्च प्राण एव. एकश्च अनंतश्च. It is one also and it is infinite also. Avantar sankhya vishishtascha. It is avantar sankhya vishishta. Vishishtascha prana eva. Avantar means in between. Anything between one and infinite, all of that is the same devata. Tat sankhya vishishta is prana alone. एकस्य अनेकधा भावे किं निमित्तम इत्याशंक्या. That one, how one can be many? So eka cannot be aneka. Ekasya anekadha bhave. How? What is the nimittam that one can be considered many also? अत्राह तत्र च देवस्य एकस्य नाम रूप कर्म गुण शक्ति भेदो अधिकार भेदात्. एक देवता, because of नाम रूप कर्म गुण शक्ति भेद, because of adhikara bheda, he gets nama rupa karma guna shakti bheda. In this way you have to read vakya. Adhikara means jiva bheda. Different jivas, they have different nama rupa karma guna shakti samarthya. So some, all devatas, whether it you call it Agni, Prithvi, Akasha, Aditya, Vayu, etc., or Manushya, Pashu, Pakshi, the variety is there, adhikara bhedat. Your karmas, your upasanas will decide where you belong. That's all. उक्तरीत्या प्राणस्वरूपे स्थिते सति इति यावत्. तत्र means उक्तरीत्या प्राणस्वरूप is established, स्थितम. स्थिते सति, how one, it is one also, and in that one there are many also. देवस्य एकस्य प्रकृतस्य प्राणस्य एव इत्यर्थः. That one deva, which is the prakrita prana, प्राणिनां ज्ञाने कर्मणि च अधिकारस्य स्वामित्वस्य भेदो अधिकार भेदस. प्राणिनां, of all the jivas, ज्ञाने कर्मणि च अधिकारस्य, they have adhikara in jnana. Here means upasana and karma. स्वामित्वस्य भेदो अधिकार भेदः. अधिकार, ज्ञाने कर्मणि अधिकारस्य स्वामित्वस्य, that is the स्वामित्व. स्वामित्व means phala स्वामित्व, phala of jnanam and karma. So because of this adhikara bheda, tannimittatvena devasya aneka sanstana parinama siddhi. That deva appears in many forms with variety. So if sukha matra is adhika, one should understand good karmas are there. If dukha matra is there, karmas are bad. अनेक संस्थान परिणाम सिद्धि. प्राणिनो हि ज्ञानम कर्म च अनुष्ठाय सूत्रांशम अज्ञादि रूपम आपद्यन्ते तद्युक्तो यथोक्तो भेद इत्यर्थः. प्राणिनः हि ज्ञानम कर्म च अनुष्ठाय, all the प्राणिस विज्ञानम कर्म च अनुष्ठाय, विज्ञान कर्म अनुष्ठान of varieties, upasana and karma, sutransham ajnadi rupam apadyante. Praninaha, all the jivas, they all become amsha of this Hiranyagarbha. Sutransham, like Agni, etc. Tad yukto yathokto bhedaha. So, associated with all those nama, rupa, karma, guna, shakti is the bheda. Why there is nama, rupa, karma, guna, shakti bheda? Because adhikara bheda is there. Adhikara in what? Upasana and karma. Therefore, phala bheda. So one can have all this variety. With this, ninth mantra is over. Tika. Sankocha vikasabhyam prana swarupokti anantaram avasara prapti ridanim ityuchyate. with the Sankocha and Vikasa of Devata. Sankocha is in up to 1, Vikasa is infinite. Prana Swarupa Ukti is done. Ukti Anantaram, thereafter, Avasara Praptihi, there is an opportunity. Idanim tasyaiva pranasya brahmanah punar ashtadha bheda upadishyate. Of the same prana rupa Brahma Hiranyagarbha, eightfold bheda is indicated, upadishyate. Upadishyate kasmat, upadishyate dhyanartham iti shesha. Somebody who would want to meditate on this Saguna Brahma. पृथिव्येव यस्यायतनम् अग्निर्लोको मनोर्ज्योतिर् यो वै तं पुरुषं विद्यात् सर्वस्य आत्मनः परायणं स वै वेदिता स्यात् याज्ञवल्क्य वेदवा अहं तं पुरुषं सर्वस्यात्मनः परायणं यमार्थ य एवायं शारीरः पुरुषः स एष वदैव शाकल्य तस्य का देवते त्यमृतमिति होवाच. All the Vedic stuti, etc., stotrams that we see in Karma Kanda, they are all of this Virat or Hiranyagarbha, like Purusha Suktam, like Narayana Suktam. Wherever upadhis are given, they are all indicative of this alone. Or Rudram, what is given, they all refer to this. So this is Prasiddha. Prithvi eva yasya ayatanam. Shakalya is now asking further. Prithvi is asya ayatanam. Ayatanam, abode. Agnir lokaha. Lokaha means chakshuhu here. Lokyate anena iti lokaha. That by which something is seen, experience, is called lokaha. So Prithvi is ayatanam. Agni is lokaha. Loka means chakshuhu. Mano jyotihi. Mind is the jyoti. Mano jyotir. Yo vai tam purusham vidyat. Sarvasya atmanaha parayanam. The one who knows that purusha. Tam purusham vidyat. What is that? Sarvasya atmanaha parayanam. Atmanaha means karya karanatmaka sanghatasya parayanam. Sarvasya parayanam. Savai vedita syat. Shakalya says the one who knows this Purusha, who is the Sanghata, Karyakarana Sanghata Rupa Adhyatma Purusha. He is the real knower. Yajnavalkya, you are saying, I know everything. You are not a Pandita. Yajnavalkya says, Vedava. So, up to Yajnavalkya is Shakalya. Then Vedava Aham Tam Purusham is Yajnavalkya. Vedava Aham Tam Purusham. Sarvasya Atmanaha Parayanam. That which is the Parayanam of all the Karyakarana Sanghata. I know that. Vedava. Yam Atha, the one which you speak of. Atha. Atha, what is the dhatu?
Bru dhatu. Vyaktayam vachi.
Bru Vyaktayam vachi. Then, what is the sutra? How Atha comes?
Bruvaha panchanam aditaho bruvaha.
Bruvah panchanam adita aho bruvah. So, what happens then? Which lakara is this? Which lakara is this? Lat lakara. This is lat lakara. Lat lakara, how Atharupa comes?
Nul, atus, tus,
Anal, atus, us, thal, athus. These are the 5 lit lakara pratyas. Vikalpena, they come for lat lakara. Anal, atus, us, thal, athus. So now thal is there, thal, and then bru dhatu gets ah adesha. Bru dhatu gets ah adesha. Not ah, ah. So hakar is alant. Then ah is there, and then you get thal, which is from this, and then ahastha, there is a sutra. Ahastha. So hakara, ah is there, that hakara becomes thakara. And thal is there, then kharicha, thakar will become takara. So atha. Yam tvam atha. Ya eva ayam shariraha purushaha. Sa esha. This sharira purusha that you speak of, saha esha, this is that. Vada eva shakalya. Vada, Yagnavalkya is now telling him. Vada means tell more, means ask more now. This vada here, 1 number tippani, means pritcha. It is given in bhashya. Tasya ka devata iti. This Shakalya is asking now. Amritam iti hovacha. Yagnavalkya said his devata is Amritam. So Yagnavalkya is now instigating him. Bolo, pucho mujhe, ask me more, like that. Because Yagnavalkya understood that when Gargi already said nobody should ask him, and he has already answered the ultimate truth. Now there is no point in discussing anything else. But he did not understand. Then he went on asking so many questions. All of them are answered. Still, he did not give up. So now Yagnavalkya says, I'm going to destroy him. So he will go on asking, and then when Yagnavalkya will counter ask, he will not know the answer. Then he will die. Avayavashah vakyam yojeti. Avayavashah, this is shas pratyaya. Shas pratyaya, there is a sutra.
Swamiji, is it Swaucha Shamo? Swaucha Samao
Shauch.
Ashtabhyam?
Hmm.
Swaucha Samao Shashtabhyam
Yes.
Bhisme.
No, 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 no. I Chash Pratyaya, there is a sutra like this prayoga is there in Shastra. अवयवशः वाक्यम योजयति पृथ्वी एव यस्य देवस्य आयतनम आश्रयो अग्निर्लोको यस्य लोकयति अनेन इति लोकः लोकयति अनेन इति लोकः पश्यति इति अग्निना पश्यति इत्यर्थः लोकयति मीन्स पश्यति सो पृथ्वी is the ayatanam of that devata devasya of Prithvi Abhimani Agni Devasya. Agnihi Lokaha Yasya Lokayati Anena, that by which he sees. So Agni's ayatanam is Prithvi, means Sharira. And that by which it sees, that is Chakshu. Tika. Sampinditam Vakya Trayartham Kathayati Prithvi Ityadina. Then further in Bhashya, Mano Jyotir Manasa Jyotisha Sankalpa Vikalpadi Karyam Karoti. By Mano Jyoti, he does Sankalpa Vikalpa Adi Karyam. Yaha Soyam Mano Jyotihi, that is Mano Jyotihi. Vai Shabdo Avadharanarthaha. Vai Shabda is later in Bhashya. So now these three, Prithvi Eva Asya Ayatanam, Agnihi Loko Mano Jyotihi. Of these three statements, he says, Sampinditam Vakya Trayartham, Prithvi Shariro Agni Darshano Manasa Sankalpaita, Prithvi Abhimani Karya Karana Sanghatavan Deva Ityartha. Prithvi is the Sharira, Agni Darshana, Manasa Sankalpaita, by mind, this is Sankalpaita. That Devata, with the help of mind, it does Sankalpa. Prithvi Abhimani Karya Karana Sanghatavan, he is the Deva. Yaha evam Vishishtam Vai. This Vai is Avadharanartha. Yaha evam Vishishtam Vai Tam Purusham Vidyat Vijaniyat Sarvasya Atmanaha Adhyatmikasya Karyakarana Sanghatasya Atmanaha Paramayanam. The one who knows this Karyakarana Sanghatasya Adhyatmika Karane, Karyakarana Sanghata means this Sharire Bhava, all of that, Atmanaha. Parama Ayanam, Para Ashrayaha, Tam Parayanam Vijaniyat. The one who knows this. Tam Parayanam Yaha Eva Vijaniyat, Saha Eva Vedita Syat iti Sambandha. In the mantra it is said, he is the true knower. The one who knows Tam Parayanam Yaha Eva Vijaniyat. The one who knows. Sa Eva Vedita Syat. He is the knower. Iti Sambandha. अथ केन रूपेण पृथ्वी देवस्य कार्यकरण संघातम प्रति आश्रयत्वम तदा. केन रूपेण पृथ्वी देवस्य, by which rupa of this Prithvi Deva Karyakarana Sanghatam Prati Ashrayatvam, how this Prithvi is the Ashraya for the Karyakarana Sanghatam ta aha. Matrujena, this part we have to remember because this is what he is going to connect later. Matrujena Twang Mansa Rudhira Rupena Kshetrasthaniyena Bijasthaniyasya पितृ जस्य अस्थि मज्जा शुक्र रूपस्य. So पितृ he gave 3, अस्थि मज्जा शुक्र. मातृ he gives 3, त्वं मांस रुधिर. Means in a child when he is born in the form of sharira, which is this karyakarana sanghata, twang mamsa rudhira is matrujanya and अस्थि मज्जा शुक्र are पितृजन्य. त्वं मांस रुधिर रूपेण मातृजेन क्षेत्र स्थानीय, that is the kshetra. In that bija sthaniyasya pitru jasya, pitruja is अस्थि मज्जा शुक्र रूप. परमायनम, param ayanam karanatmanascha savai vedita syat. The one who is the knower of this, and karanatmana means sukshma sharirasya, second number tippani. He is the vedita syat. टीका. पृथिव्या मातृ शब्द वाच्यत्वात् य एव देवो अहम पृथ्वी अस्मि इति मन्यते. पृथ्वी इज मातृ शब्द वाच्य, शरीर. अहम पृथ्वी अस्मि इति मन्यते स एव शरीरारंभक मातृज कोशत्रय अभिमानितया. शरीर आरंभक मातृज कोश, मातृजन्य कोशस आर these 3, त्वं मांस रुधिर. So total 6 कोशस, these 3 मातृजन्य अभिमानितया वर्तते. तथा च तस्य तेन रूपेण पितृज त्रितयं कार्यं लिंगं च करणं प्रत्याश्रयत्वं संभवति इत्यर्थः. तस्य तेन रूपेण पितृज त्रितयं, पितृजन्य दी 3, कार्यं लिंगं च करणं प्रति आश्रयत्वं. For the asthi, majja and shukra, and also for sukshma sharira. Matruja is the ashrayam. Ashrayatvam sambhavati ityartha. So the matruja is kshetra, pitruja is bija. Pitruja has the 3 and karanatma, sushma sharira. पृथ्वी देवस्य परायणत्वम् उपपाद्यानंतर वाक्यम उत्थाप्य व्याचष्टे. पृथ्वी देवस्य परायणत्वम् उपपाद्य, having explained पृथ्वी देवस्य परायणत्वम्, अनंतर वाक्यम स वै वेदिता स्यात्, याज्ञवल्क्यस्य वाक्यम, he will be the वेदिता. यह एतद् एवं वेत्ति स वै वेदिता पंडितः स्यात् इति अभिप्रायः. The one who knows in this way is the pandita. याज्ञवल्क्य त्वं तम अजानन्नेव पंडिताभिमानी इति अभिप्रायः. You don't know that, therefore you are only having pandita abhimana. You don't know this vastu. तथापि मम किम आयातम, याज्ञवल्क्य में asked, okay, so He may be Pandita. So what should I do? He says, no, you don't know. Now you see, how did Shakalya think that Yajnavalkya doesn't know? When a person is about to get destroyed, this is all vinashakale viparita buddhi. So this all comes. Then his destruction will happen in this way. यदि तद विज्ञानेन पांडित्यम लभ्यते वेदवाहम तम पुरुषम सर्वस्य आत्मनः परायणम यम आत्थ यम कथयसि तम अहम वेद तत्र शाकल्यस्य वचनम द्रष्टव्यम. This statement is not there in the mantra, but you have to understand what if that vijnanam makes someone pandita, pandityam labhyate purushena, vedavaham tam purusham. I know that person, that means that purusha that you are talking about. What is that? Sarvasya atmanaha parayanam. Yam atha. Yam tvam atha. Tvam will refer to whom?
Yajnavalkya.
Shakalya.
Yajnavalkya.
No, not Yajna, Shakalya. That you talked. What you said, I know it. Yajnavalkya will say this. Yam tvam atha. Yam parayanam tvam atha. Yam kathayasi tvam. Tam aham veda. I know that. Tatra Shakalyasya vachanam drashtavyam. Then Shakalya will say, Yadi tvam vetha tam purusham bruhi kam visheshana asau. If you say you know, tell what is that, what are the visheshanas in that. Saha purusho yena visheshanena vishishtas tad visheshanam uchyamanam shrunu iti uktva tadeva aha. Saha purushaha yena visheshanena vishishta. That purusha who is vishishta by whatever visheshana, tad visheshanam uchyamanam shrunu. So listen to those visheshanas. Iti uktva tadeva aha. Ya eva ayam sharirah parthivamshe sharire bhavaha sharirah. In the parthivamsha sharira, the one who is matruja kosha traya rupa ityartha, which is in the form of the three koshas from the mothers, which were said as tvang mamsa rudira. शरीरम ही पंचभूतात्मकम तत्र पार्थिवांशे जनकत्वेन स्थितः शारीर इति यावत्. शरीरम ही पंचभूतात्मकम. शरीर is panchabhutatmakam. Tatra parthivaamshe janakattvena sthitah. That which is sthitah there, parthiva amshe. In the sthula prithvi amsha, 18 number tippani, matruje mansadi tritaye sthitah. That is sharira iti yavat. It is not jiva. Tasya jivatvam varayati. It is matruja koshatraya rupa ityartha. Prithvi devasya so bhashya sa esha devo yaha tvaya prushto he shakalya. That is the deva which tvaya prashtaha, which is asked by you, he shakalya. Prithvi devasya nirni tattva shankam varayati. So Prithvi deva nirna is done. He says kintu asti tatra vaktavyam visheshanantaram tad vada eva. Visheshanantaram vaktavyam. If there is something to be said about it, that you tell. Eva. Tad vada eva. Vada means Yajnavalkya ji is saying, I have given the answer. What is the answer? It is this Matraja Kosha Traya Rupa. What you asked. But there is something more to be answered here. See, in the mantra, if you see, yam atha ya eva ayam sharirah purushah saha eshaha. This answer is over. Vada eva shakalya. Vada means now ask me more, because there is more to be said about that purusha with visheshanas. Visheshanantaram vaktavyam. Tad vada means you ask me now. Pruchya eva ityartho he shakalya. So now Yajnavalkya has disturbed him. So how he is now? Shobhitasya amarshavashagatve drashtantaha. Shobhita means he is disturbed. And now there is hatred in his mind. In whose mind?
Shakalya.
Shakalya. Sa evam prakshobhito amarshavashagaha aha. Out of amarsha, that krodha, he is saying. How? Tatra totrardita iva gajaha. Up to this is the vakya. We'll stop here. Totrardita iva gajaha. Like an elephant when he is pierced by the ankusha, so how he gets mad. Or a horse whipped by the whip. So he is unhappy like that. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.